Hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best, or you can say the ultimate comfort food. Alright, this is done with some all butter pastry crust, and it is filled with some delicious creamy macaroni and cheese, topped with popcorn chicken and a drizzle of cheese sauce and hot sauce. Now you can put whatever sauces you want to put up here. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Here I have my pastry crust and I'm rolling that out. The link for this pastry crust will be in the description box. There I am using these little cute ceramic pie dish. I am going to clean the edges off. You can use a scissors and knife or just use your hand. Alright, just like that. And we're going to press the dough against the dish, and that is actually going to shape it. No crimping is involved, guys. So easy and simple. Alright, looks amazing. Awesome. And then we are going to season our chicken to our desired likeness. Now what I use is going to be in the description box. Then I'm going to add this amazing cheese sauce to my macaroni, and then I am going to fill the pastry crust with this amazing mac and cheese. Look at that, guys. Now this is going to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we're going to flour our chicken. Then we are going to egg wash and place that in some seasoned breadcrumbs. You can choose, any kind of breadcrumbs you like, but I actually like the seasoned breadcrumbs better. Alright, I let that rest for about 10 minutes while I was preheating my oil. Then we are going to fry until this is nice and golden brown on both sides. Alright, this is what it looks like, guys. So after the macaroni and cheese baked, I add 2 slices of gouda, place it back in the oven just for it to slightly melt. Then I add some popcorn chicken, guys, and I had a feast. I hope you guys try this. Now today I'm not your health coach, I'm your comfort doctor, so this food right here is going to surely bring you some joy. Alright, so thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Look at the pastry. It is baked. It is so scrumptious and delicious. Listen, this is it right here. Alright, so do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Please share this video and comment. Once again, thank you for spending the time with me today. See y'all on the next one. Bye bye.